Munchkins, what is up? I hope everyone's doing awesome. Welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Himadri and I do post makeup and fashion related content on my channel. If this is something that you enjoy watching, make sure to hit the red subscribe button with that press the bell icon so you are notified whenever I have a new video up. So in today's video, I will be teaching you all how to do this beautiful look right here. I did the exact makeup look Didi ki shaadi pe because I wore a silver blue sari, and honestly speaking, even though I do a lot of makeup, on that particular day I was so confused कि मुझे क्या करना चाहिए अपने आँखों पर. I did not want Dick Jack silver makeup. I wanted something silver but still a little more what should I say, a little more शादी appropriate. I was very skeptical कि मुझे silver कुछ करना चाहिए कि नहीं, but after doing this look, I was so proud of myself. I was like, wow, this actually looks good on my complexion. One of my followers, she has been asking me to do a silver makeup look, so I had to do this. And honestly speaking, I am someone who prefers using golden undertones on my eyes because मेरी skin color में हल्का सा golden olive touch है. So I just did the exact same makeup look that I did on my sister's wedding. If this is something that interests you, then you should definitely keep on watching. Of course, I will start with skin prep. It is something that I personally enjoy doing and it makes the makeup sit better on the skin, and I encourage you all to do the same. I have already cleansed my face. Next, I will be using a toner. So a toner will help me in getting rid of any dirt that I might have on the skin. And today, I'll be using the Lakme 9 to 5 Matte Moist Mattifying Face Toner. This product has green tea and witch hazel, which are considered to be two great ingredients for the skin, which will tighten up my pores. And as the name suggests, it says matte, which will instantly make my skin look matte without making my skin feel dry, and matte finish will keep the dust away from settling on my face. So I'll just give a good spray all over my face and I'll pat this into my skin. Next, I will be using a face mask, which is again from the same range. It is their clay face mask. So this again contains green tea and it will help in removing dust and impurities from my pores. I love the tiny little tube, which makes it very travel friendly. This mask is non-drying and will leave my skin looking matte. This literally feels very nice and refreshing on the skin. I'll leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes and then wash it off with water and be right back. My skin feels and looks squeaky clean. My skin looks matte, but it doesn't look dry, which is very impressive. So having a matte skin, especially during the summer season, it's really nice. जहाँ पे face इतना oily and sweaty हो जाता है, and because of that उसके ऊपर dust, pollution and all that, which eventually causes a lot of breakout, and we aren't here for that. You can even use my coupon code on the screen to get some additional discount. Next, I will quickly moisturize my face. For primer, I will be using my Holy Grail Benefit Professional. I just cannot go without this. कोई भी special event हो, I will always use this product. As I have talked about this a lot on my channel, this product literally blurs out any texture or pores that you might have on the skin. I'll apply this around my nose like that. Even on my forehead because I have a lot of texture on my forehead. Now for foundation, I'll be using the Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation, and I am in the shade 06 Sun Beige, and start applying it all over my face using a damp beauty sponge. Next, I will be using a concealer, and for that today, I'll first apply my Holy Grail Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer under my eyes to cancel out any darkness that I have around my eyes. I'll use the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in the shade Caramel. And to highlight my features, I'll be using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I'll blend this out using the same damp beauty sponge. I will quickly set my under eyes using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder. Now to fill in my brows, I'll be using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. Flash photography mein it looks nice, otherwise your eyebrows look like they're not there. I like to go a little heavy handed with this brow pomade to make it look like My eyebrows are there, and this is a great tip if you're going to attend a wedding, and of course वहाँ पे photographers होंगे, they'll be using harsh strong lights, so make sure to fill in your brows a little heavy than usual. For my eyeshadow, I will be using the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde eyeshadow palette, and I'll start by using this neutral shade right here, which is in the shade Crash, and I'll pick this up on a Morphe M330 brush. I'll blend this color very well into my crease. I'll use a lighter brown color to deepen up my crease. I'll pick up this cool brown color from the Morphe Jack and Hill palette, and I will deepen up my crease. Picking up these two matte shades together on a tiny detailer brush, I'll apply it all over my crease. My glitter, I'll be using this beautiful Lime Crime Diamond Dew glitter in the shade Starlight, and it is holographic, so when the light hits it reflects different shades and it just looks very pretty. I'll take a flat tiny detailer brush and I'll pick up the glitter on this. So I'll apply this right on my lids. To deepen up the outer edge of my eye, I'll use a black eyeshadow. I'll repeat the exact same thing on the other eye and be right back. Now that my eyes are pretty much done, next I'll be using the Anastasia waterproof creme color in Jet. This is a beautiful eyeliner and I'll create a tiny little wing. And for mascara, I'll be using the Pixie Lengthy Fiber Mascara. For my lashes, I'll be using the PAC M77 lashes along with the PAC Lash Fixer. I'll quickly apply this on my eyes and be right back. I'll use a light brown eyeshadow to smoke out my lower lash line. Next, I'll use the Balm Bahama bronzer and I'll apply this under my cheekbone, on my forehead and even on my jawline. And for that, I'll be using the Cuffs and Lashes F12 brush. For my blush, I'll be using the Balm Big Date blush. This should be one of my favorite blushes of all time. Unfortunately, it broke during the wedding. I mean, look at the condition. I still have to fix this, but anyways, I'll use जो भी थोड़ा बहुत इसमें है. And for highlighter, I'll be using the Becca Champagne Pop and I'll apply that on the highest points of my face. Apply the same on my brow bone. For my lip color, I'll be using the Gerard Cosmetics lip pencil in the shade Sugar and Spice and use a nude lipstick on top. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. I mean, how gorgeous this is, and I feel this eye look complements my skin color perfectly. As I mentioned earlier, I was very skeptical if silver eyeshadow will look good on my complexion because I have a golden undertone and I prefer using golden eyeshadows in comparison to silver ones, but this looks absolutely amazing. I think if you are around NC42 or maybe deeper, you can totally do this eye look because I added a lot of depth to balance out the silver pop on the eyes. All the products that I have used in today's video will be mentioned in the description box below, including the newly launched Lakme Matte Moist range that I used today. If you guys want to check it out, just simply check out my description box down below. Everything is mentioned there. Today's post notification shout out goes to Neetu Yadav. Thank you for leaving such a sweet comment. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this beautiful, gorgeous look that I just did. And before leaving, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.